Low to the ground to allow easy access for kids. Wainscoting wooden bedrails on both sides for extra safety. Fits standard crib mattress for easy transition. Made of wood, assembly required. Mattress, pillow and bedding not included. Meets or exceeds all safety standards. Child safe, water-based paints, free of lead and other heavy materials. Supports 50 pounds or less. Nantucket Toddler Bed. Parents and kids alike love the KidKraft Nantucket Toddler Bed. High side rails provide extra security. The low proximity to the ground lets little ones get in and out of bed with ease. With its handsome wainscoting-style paneling, sturdy construction and durable finish, this bed is perfect for transitioning toddlers from the crib to their very own bed. Top reviews from the United States. Well built. This is the second time we bought one in 10 years. We had the first one for 5 years and sold it. We bought another one very recently. The first one lasted through multiple children. We were able to sell it since it looked almost new.